So today I came to this place named as Absolute Barbecues, which is located in Powai. And yeah, the ambience was amazing and it was quite empty because it was a Monday. And I decided to go there with my parents, and one of my friends had come from another city. So we had invited him over. And yeah, so this was like a buffet. So we had pani puri, and then we had some mocktails, virgin mojito, and after that, we also clicked some great pictures since the ambience was also very good. So we had some kind of starters. There was chaat, there was pasta, there was grill, and yeah, I mean it was like really amazing. Then the buffet was there. There was soup, which I'm showing over here, and yeah. Then there was one veg soup, and then I think there was a non-veg soup as well. And after that, what else did we have? We then moved on to the main course after eating a lot of starters. Then there was rice, dal, then there was more stuff. As you can see, some Chinese noodles and some Manchurian. And then there was some sabzis were there, paneer and some mixed veg. Then there was, I think, veg biryani was there. There were some types of fryams, papads, salads, and different types of, mixed fruit salad, normal salad, some curd, pickles. Then the non-veg section was there. Here there was a chicken biryani, which I remember. And then there was, I think, again, some rice, some Malwani fish curry, which I do not eat since I do not eat non-veg. And then there was mutton, and then there was butter chicken. And then there was this dessert section, which I'm showing over here. Some fruits, some firni, then there was some savory. There were some different kinds of pastry as well, which I remember clearly. And yeah, that's and there was jalebi and some brownie, and then we moved on to the other section, which was having moong dal halwa and some anguri gulab jamun, and they also had ice cream. I hope you loved my video.